Hey, welcome to Boozehive. In this video, you're going to learn how to make a Galaxy Mojito, an awesome looking twist on a classic drink. First, you will need to make some colour changing rum. To do this, you will need some butterfly pea flowers. These are cool blue flowers which naturally make drinks look great. If you'd like to pick some up, there's a link in the description where I got mine. Making colour changing rum is quite easy. All you have to do is add 4 to 5 flowers to a bottle of your favourite white rum. Then give it a shake and let it fuse overnight. Then in the morning, filter it when it has a deep purple colour. Easy peasy. Now onto the Galaxy Mojito. Take a long glass and add mint leaves, sugar syrup, lime juice, and give it a quick muddle. Then top with ice and add soda water. Lastly, add your Galaxy rum. This drink looks awesome. There we go! If you plan to try it out, give the video a like. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next drink.